Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to print the following like this triangle. So very first line of this program is non-executable statement which won't execute in the runtime, which is called a single line command. It start with hash symbol. Next line starting with the 3 double quotation, here ending with the 3 double quotation, it is called a multi-line command. Multi-line command, it is also, it won't execute in the runtime. Next statement, I am going to read the n value from the keyboard. N value from the keyboard. The innermost function, input function, is used to read the n value from the keyboard. First of all, it will display the message, enter the n value. After displaying the message on the screen, the cursor will move to the next line. Why? Because here I am using \n. So whatever value I am reading from the keyboard, it treat as a string. Through input function, it will treat as a string. So you should convert it to integer. The outermost function is used to convert the string to integer. Then it will assign to n. My input is 3. So here for loop I in the range, that is starting value is 1, ending value 3, n value is 3, 3 plus 1 4, that is 1 less than 4 condition is true. Every loop statement end with a colon. So condition is true, control comes here, and b value I am assigning b value. The n value is 3, 3 minus I value is 1, 3 minus 1 2, 2 greater than 0, condition is true. So control comes here and it will give one blank space. Then end equal to, within single quotation I didn't give any space, so automatically it will wait for immediate next column. Then cursor comes here, control comes here, and b value 2, 2 minus 1 1, 1 greater than 0, condition is true. Again it will give one blank space. Then control comes here and immediately it will wait next column. Then control comes here and it will decrement the b value, that b value is 1, 1 minus 1 it will become 0, 0 greater than 0, condition is false. So automatically control comes here. Now j value I am assigning the range, that is a value is 1, starting value is 1, I value is 1 plus 1, it will 2, 1 less than 2, condition is true, end with the colon. Okay, condition is true, automatically control comes here and it will print 1 star. Then it will wait immediate next column. Then j value, control comes here and it will increment the j value is 1, 1 plus 1 it will become 2, 2 less than 2, condition is false. Again control comes here. So immediately 2 consecutively I am using the loop, j variable in the loop, so automatically it will decrement, the 2 will become 1, here again it will minus 1, 1 minus 1 it will become 0, 0 greater than 0, condition is false. So again control comes here in the print statement. Here in this print statement I didn't print anything, so automatically the cursor will move to from here to here, next line. So then there is no other statement, automatically control comes to outer loop, I value is 1, 1 will become a 2, 2 less than 4, condition is true. Again control comes here and once again reassign the b value, n value is 3, 3 minus 2, 3 I value 2, 3 minus 2 1, 1 greater than 0, condition is true. Again it will give one blank space. After giving the blank space, cursor will wait for here. Then control comes here and it will decrement the b value is 1, 1 minus 1 it will become 0, 0 greater than 0, condition is false. Automatically control transfer to immediate next statement, that is also one loop. J the range is 1, I value that is 2, 2 plus 1 3, 1 less than 3, condition is true. So it will print 1 star. After printing it will wait here. Then control comes here. It will increment the j value 1 plus 1 it will become 2, 2 less than 3, condition is true. Control comes here and it will print on a second star and wait immediate next column. Then control comes here, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 less than 3, condition is false. So control comes here, so it will 3 will become 2. Again the reassigning the j value means 2 minus 1 it will become 1, 1 greater than 0, condition is true, so it will print 1 star here. Then it will wait immediate next column. Then again control comes here, j value is 1, 1 minus 1 it will become 0, 0 greater than 0 condition is false, control comes here. Here I didn't print any value, so automatically cursor will move to next column, next line. Then control comes here, previous I value is 2, 2 plus 1 it will become 3, 3 less than 4 condition is true. Again control comes here and it will reassign the b value, n value 3, I value is also 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 greater than 0, condition is false, control comes here. And range 1, j value is 1, I value 3 plus 1 4, 1 less than 4 condition is true, again it will print 1 star. Then it will wait immediately here. Then control comes here and it will increment the j value become 2, 2 less than 4 condition is true, again it will print the second star. Then it will wait here. Then control comes here and it will increment 2 plus 1 will become 3, 3 less than 4 condition is true, so it will print the third star and wait here. Then control comes here, 3 plus 1 4, 4 less than 4 condition is false, control comes here. Immediately the consecutively I am using two same variable in the two loop, so automatically it will decrement 1 here, that is 4 will become 4 will become 3. Here again reassigning the value, 3 minus 1 it will become 2, 2 greater than 0 condition is true, again it will print 1 star, then it will wait here. Then control comes here, 2 minus 1 1, 1 greater than 0 condition is true, then it will print 1 star here. Then it is waiting here. Then control comes here, 1 minus 1 it will become 0, 0 greater than 0, 0 greater than 0 condition is false, so control comes here, immediate next statement here nothing will print but cursor will move to next line. Then control comes to outer loop, that is I value is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 less than 4 condition is false, automatically control comes to immediate next statement here. So there is no other statement, the program is over. So we will see the output, F5 is used to run the program, my input is 3, you can get like this output. So kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon and share in the Facebook. Okay, thank you.